This all began few weeks ago. It was 2 a.m. and it had been a month since I posted my last video, and I didn't really know what should I draw next. So to relax myself a little bit, I was playing God of War. A few minutes later, I actually crossed the level, and I remember I drew Kratos few years back. So I searched for it everywhere. Then I got the portrait, but it looks like trash. And that's when I got the idea to make it again. But before I can show it to you, it needs a little bit of planning. After planning, I searched some images for the references. Now I'm pretty sure of what I wanted this video to be about. So just bear with me as I'm going to draw Kratos for the second time. Alright, so my previous outline was a little bit unordered, so this time I'm going to use grid method to draw my outlines, and this time I'm going to make it on A3 size paper, so the skin details are going to be epic. And my brothers and sisters, the outline looks nice. Now it's time to do some pencil shading. So my previous drawing shading, okay, there was no shading in my previous drawing, but believe me, this time is going to be different. So as always, for the skin portion I'm going to use graphite pencils, and for the dark shading portion I'm going to use charcoal pencils. So the first eye is done, let's move on to the second eye. Shading done, time to add some highlights. For the highlights, I am using white gel pens and Tombow mono eraser. But wait, my eraser refills are finished. So to buy some refills, I checked Amazon and they're pretty expensive, and I had no choice. I picked it up through my phone, which you should never do, I guess. Anyway, I refill my eraser. Now add highlights. Okay, the eyes are done and I'm pretty tired, so I'm going to sleep. See you tomorrow. It's morning already and I woke up from my bed, brushed my teeth and ate my breakfast. Now let's complete the nose and skin shading portions. So I have completed the face shading portion and it was going smooth till this portion. Then I got lazy. I spent my days watching movies, animes and playing games that I didn't even realize I have to complete the drawing. After a few days I realized that I have wasted lots of time and my views got fucked. So I immediately started to set all up, and at that moment I realized that I didn't even make a single portrait with beard. So I watched some tutorials on YouTube to inspire myself, and after watching some tutorial I started to draw beards. Okay, so I tried to do it by myself, but it was taking too much time and I have to upload a video quickly. So I called my clone and told him to help me out. Then we both complete rest of the portrait. So yes, now I'm going to show you how much I have improved in 5 years, and hope you like this video. If you did, please like the video, and if you didn't, tell me in the comment which part should I improve. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.